Do you having the business and planning to advertise that business? In this video, I am going to show you how you can book short video ads on Fiverr.com. Why I am recommending short video ads? Because these are most effective than the other advertisement forms. Let me show you benefits of short video ads. Why short video ads? There are 4 reasons of booking short video ads. First, these are very effective nowadays. 98% of the marketer prefer to short video ads in the marketing forms. Short video ads having high click-through rates than the long video ads and other forms of advertisement. In the current era, internet speed is so high, so video ads are going to be more powerful than the other forms of advertisement because everyone having reach to internet. Let me show you how you can book short video ads on Fiverr.com. Step number 1. Open Fiverr.com on your browser. Step 2. Create account on Fiverr.com. Step 3. Research gig. I am going to research gigs in this video and I am going to put the link of that gigs in the description box so you can use that link. Step 4. Finalize gig and place order. Let me show you how Fiverr works and what are the gigs available for short video ads. Let's jump into my computer screen. Let me show you one example how you can book short video ads. Open Fiverr.com. Search here short video ads and click enter. In this video, we are going to research 2-3 top gigs of short video ads. What are the options available? We are going to see in this video. First gig. The seller is providing you short video ads for Facebook, Instagram and e-commerce. The seller is providing you one video of 35 seconds in his basic plan, and in standard plan he is providing you 60 seconds video and 2 revisions. In basic also seller having 2 revisions. In the premium plan, seller is providing you high quality fully custom video, fully custom tailored to your need and duration up to 120 seconds. The seller is providing you for rupees 11.5k approx. Let me show you another gig also. In this gig, seller is providing you modern short video ads for your social media. In the basic plan, seller is providing you 15 seconds video for rupees 1.9k. ST video 15 second modern video ads within 3 days and 1 revision. In the standard plan, seller is providing you 30 seconds video for rupees 3.4k ST video within 5 days delivery and 2 revisions. Video editing 30 seconds. In the premium plan, seller is providing you 60 seconds video for rupees 5k and within 7 days seller is delivering you the video. Let me see another gig also. In the basic plan of this gig, seller is providing you 20 seconds short video ads for rupees 771, and in the standard plan, seller is providing you 60 seconds short video ad for rupees 2.3k, and in the premium plan, seller is providing you 1 minute 20 seconds video for rupees 3.8k. I recommend this seller because in the standard and the premium plan, this seller is having unlimited revision, so you can ask the revisions as far as you are satisfied. After finalization of gig, click on continue. You will be redirected to order detail page. Here you can add gig extra and customize quantity as per your requirement. In gig extra, this seller is providing you extra fast 3 days delivery. Normally this seller is giving you delivery within 5 days, and if you want fast delivery, you can choose this option extra fast 3 days delivery and click on continue to checkout. So this is the way to make short video ads for your business and start promoting your business, because your business is everything for you. Thanks for watching the video. I am going to put the link of these gigs in the description below. If you use these links, I will be getting small commissions as an affiliate and I will appreciate you for the same. Thanks for watching the video.